Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how you can create a three-way match invoice. Three-way match invoice means we have to create a purchase order PO and a receipt, and based on purchase order and receipt information, we have to create a purchase invoice. Click on Navigator, click on Procurement, click on Purchase Orders. Click on task list. Now click on create order. Now search for your supplier. Say ERPZEN supplier. ERPZEN Dell supplier. Click on OK. Select the record and click on OK. Now click on create. Now go to lines. Click on add row. The line number is 1 and type as goods. Populate the item. Say ERPZEN. Say razor, shampoo, laptop, soaps. I'll go with pens. Based on the item information, system automatically defaulted the description, the category name and unit of measure and how much quantity you want to have in PO, say one quantity. Select the record, click on view, columns, show all, say 222. Click on view, columns, show all. I'm fine with the details here. Yeah, the details looks good. Click on schedules. Select the record. Click on view, columns, show all. Now location, the requested delivery date, these are optional. The shipping method and receipt date, exception date, that is optional. Direct delivery, match approval level, yeah, it is three-way and receipt. So I'm fine with the details. Click on save. Click on submit. Order number 15. Say OK. Click on task list. Now click on manage orders. Hit search. It is pending for approval. Now click on purchase order. Click on refresh until it got approved and the status is updated from pending approval to open. Hit refresh. Hit refresh. Refresh. Hit refresh until it got approved. Yeah, it got approved. Now let us create a receipt against this PO. Click on Navigator. Click on supply chain execution. Click on inventory management. Click on task list. Now click on show tasks as, select receipts. Now click on receive expected shipments. Search with your purchase order. ERPZEN. Our purchase order is 15. Select the record and click on OK. Click search. System has retrieved purchase order information. Now select the record. Click on receive. Now quantity, how much quantity you want to receive, and what is the sub inventory? ERPZEN sub inventory. Now click on create receipt. Click on submit. 1071004. The receipt has been successfully created. Now click on OK. Now click on home. This is called as springboard. Now go to payables. Payables. Click on invoices. Click on task list. Now click on create invoice. Now populate your purchase order number 15. Click on search. Say ERPZEN Dell supplier. Select your supplier, like select your purchase order and supplier. Click on OK. Now based on the PO details, system automatically defaulted the business unit, the supplier site and legal entity. Now provide the invoice number, three-way, and amount 222. Now underlines from the LOV, select match invoice lines and click on go. Select this purchase order. Now you can see if it is two-way, you will not be able to see this received quantity 1 and receipt information as well. Since it is a three-way matched invoice, you can see the purchase order details as well as the receipt information. The ordered quantity and available quantity is 1 and received quantity is also 1. Now click on apply. Click on OK. So based on the PO information, system has automatically defaulted the amount, the distribution combination. And if you click on distributions, you will be able to see the distribution account. Now click on cancel. Now click on save. Click on invoice actions. Click on validate. Now click on invoice actions. Click on post to ledger to create accounting entries and transfer them to general ledger module. Now the accounting has been completed. To review the accounting entries which were generated by the system, click on view accounting. See, system has generated the entry. accrual debit and liability credit. Now click done. Now let us review the purchase order. Click on navigator. Click on procurement, purchase orders. Click on task list. Now click on manage orders. Now search for your order. Our purchase order is 15. Say yes. Our purchase order is 15. It is closed. Now open this purchase order. Click on view details. Here you can see the life cycle of this purchase order. Since we have created receipt, that information is showing in the receipt section, and since we have created one invoice, three-way match invoice, we can see that information as well on the PO life cycle. Click on done. Click on home. Like this, you have to create a three-way matched invoice in Oracle Fusion Accounts Payable module. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.